Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag and stuttering on Splitgate 2 for the PC on Steam. There's a couple of different steps, so try not to skip them. Okay, let's launch the game and do a couple of things from there. Okay, the first thing you want to do is press escape and make sure that the Discord is not connected. If your profile is linked to Discord in any way for whatever reason, this really lags the game. So I would recommend you not having Discord connected at all. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go into settings, go into video, and you want to set the FPS limit to whatever your monitor is set at. Mine is 144, I believe. If I can set it, yeah, there we go. And basically you don't want to use AMD's external cap. If you are using it, or if you're using NVIDIA as well, I would recommend you not doing that. So how do you turn off NVIDIA? I don't have AMD, but I can show you how to do it on NVIDIA. So open the NVIDIA control panel. Once it is open, you want to click on Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings tab right here. You want to add the game Splitgate 2 right here. And you want to see, make sure that max frame rate is off. Yes, make sure that this is off. Okay, the next thing you want to do is make sure that this is run in full screen mode, not windowed full screen. Full screen mode basically makes the game run much smoother. The next thing I would recommend is make sure that VSync is turned off. Next thing I would recommend is turn down texture quality to medium. Texture quality has a big impact on the performance of the game, and it doesn't really have a big impact on how the game looks. Same with shadow quality, I would recommend that to be low because it really doesn't matter. Okay, these are all of the things in the game. Let's look at a couple of things outside the game as well. Okay, outside the game, recommend you to update your graphics drivers. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but do it. If you don't have the NVIDIA control panel app, then get it. But yeah, update your drivers. The next thing I would recommend is disable overlays. If you are running on Steam, right click on it, go to properties, and make sure the Steam overlay is off. You want to do the same with the Xbox. What do you call that game bar thing? You want to make sure that the Discord overlay is off and the NVIDIA overlay is off. All of them lag the game. Next thing you want to do, okay, let's go click, type in, press shift caps lock escape. I'm sorry, shift control escape. And then basically sort the processes running right now, sort them by memory or CPU usage, and things you don't recognize or that are not important to run, just right click on them and say end task. So you free up some memory on your PC to run the game. Okay, now let's remove a couple of temporary files, slowing down Windows. So how do you do that? Type in search, type in run, hit the percentage key thing here, temp, percentage key thing here, enter, and then you have a bunch of temp folders. Now we can delete them all, delete all of these, or just press, what is it, Control A, right? Control A, yes. Then right click on it and click delete. And some of them will not delete, but most of them will. This will free up a lot of memory. If it doesn't delete, just say skip, and that's great. You've just deleted a lot of temporary files. Okay. Okay, the next thing you want to do, go back to run. Type in prefetch. Type in prefetch. I don't have access to the folder. That's amazing. Okay. Now from here, basically, again, press Control A, delete, and then it will ask you to delete, but some cannot be deleted. That's fine, skip them. And then that is it. After you have done this, the game should run much smoother. If this video helped you, wait 1 second, I want to show you something. This is a software called Exit Lag. This software is a And one last thing I would recommend is you check out this software called Exit Lag. What is Exit Lag? Basically, this is a software. It's a VPN that connects you to the closest server to where you live. See, right now my connection to Splitgate 2 is 12 ping. Yes, 12 ping. That is absolutely crazy. You can see right here my Steam connection right now is, well, very, very low. Usually it's actually quite a bit lower than this. And how does this work? Basically, you have a library here, you have Splitgate here to here, and you can ask it to find a server that's closest to you, and then you have it basically apply routes, and it will basically find servers for you using AI. That also has FPS boost. Basically, you can do stuff like minimum priority for background services, keep all cores active, etc, etc, etc. All of these things add up to higher FPS and online gaming. I would totally recommend it. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.